Welcome to our roundup of the best belt sanders of 2026. Powerful, dependable tools designed to make sanding, shaping, and surface preparation faster and more efficient. Whether you're smoothing rough lumber, refinishing furniture, leveling edges, or working on woodworking and DIY projects, a quality belt sander can save time and deliver cleaner, more consistent results than hand sanding. Today, we've selected some of the best belt sanders known for their motor strength, sanding performance, dust control, durability, and overall value. We'll break down what makes each model stand out, including power output, ease of handling, and ideal user type, so you can confidently choose the right belt sander for your workshop. Let's get started. Starting off with the SKIL 6-amp belt sander. This model is a practical choice for users who want a reliable tool for everyday sanding tasks. Its 6-amp motor delivers steady performance for smoothing wood surfaces, shaping edges, and preparing boards for finishing. The compact design makes it easier to control, especially for beginners, while the 3x18-inch belt size offers a good balance between coverage and precision. Users appreciate its lightweight feel, simple operation, and effective dust collection, making it well-suited for general home improvement and DIY projects. Moving on to the bench grinder belt sander combo. This option focuses on versatility and space efficiency. By combining a belt sander and a bench grinder into one unit, it allows users to handle both sanding and grinding tasks without needing separate machines. This makes it especially useful for small workshops, garages, or users who work with both wood and metal. While it may not replace a dedicated belt sander for large-scale sanding jobs, it offers solid performance for sharpening, shaping, and surface preparation, all in a compact setup. Next up is the Gela's 7-amp belt sander, a more powerful option built for users who want faster material removal and better performance on larger surfaces. Its 7-amp motor provides consistent power for tasks like furniture refinishing, deck work, and smoothing rough lumber. The wide sanding belt helps cover more area efficiently, while the comfortable grip improves control during operation. Many users like its smooth sanding action and strong performance for the price, making it a good choice for hobbyists and serious DIYers. Stepping up in performance, the Craftsman Electric 7-amp belt sander is designed for heavier sanding tasks and longer work sessions. With its strong 7-amp motor, it handles tough jobs such as removing old finishes, leveling uneven boards, and prepping surfaces for final sanding. The durable build, easy belt tracking adjustments, and dust collection system contribute to a more controlled and comfortable sanding experience. This model is well-suited for woodworkers and DIYers who want dependable, workshop-ready power. Taking the top spot in overall capability, the DeWalt 20V Max Belt Sander Asterisk stands out for its combination of strong performance and cordless convenience. Powered by DeWalt's 20V Max battery platform, it delivers impressive sanding power while allowing complete freedom of movement without a power cord. The ergonomic design improves comfort and control, and the efficient belt tracking system keeps sanding smooth and accurate. Whether you're working in a workshop, garage, or job site, this belt sander offers professional-level results with excellent mobility and reliability. All of these belt sanders are built for different needs and user levels. The SKIL 6-amp belt sander is a great entry-level option for basic projects, while the bench grinder belt sander combo adds versatility for mixed tasks. The Gela's 7-amp belt sander provides stronger performance for larger jobs, and the Craftsman Electric belt sander delivers reliable power for demanding work. Meanwhile, the DeWalt 20V Max belt sander Asterisk offers the best overall balance of power, usability, and convenience. That wraps up our list of the best belt sanders of 2026, from practical home tools to high-performance options built for serious work. If you're upgrading your workshop or buying your first belt sander, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which belt sander you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and get ready to sand smarter this year.